Retro.
Some great minds, one show. Ahmedabad Rising, exclusively on FM 95 Radio 1.
100% Retro.
Happy mornings is what you're tuned into on FM 95 Radio 1. તમારી સાથે હું આરતી AARTI. આપણી ઇન્ટરવ્યુ સિરીઝમાં આજના અમદાવાદી ગેસ્ટ પોતાના નામ પર લિમ્કા બુક ઓફ વર્લ્ડ રેકોર્ડ્સમાં 2 વખત રેકોર્ડ સ્થાપિત કરી ચૂક્યા છે. He has been associated with advertising for many years and has taught thousands of students not only how to understand but also be passionate about advertising. He is a guest lecturer at many colleges and also he is at the helm of affairs of Triton Communications, Ahmedabad. We are going to talk to Mr. Sanjay Chakrabarti, Associate Vice President Brand Service from Triton Communications, Ahmedabad. એમની સાથેની વાતો અહેમદાબાદ રાઇઝિંગ આપણી ઇન્ટરવ્યુ સિરીઝમાં શરૂ કરીએ થોડા ગીતો પછી. તમે ક્યાંય જતા નહીં. ઓન અહેમદાબાદ રાઇઝિંગ સ્ટિક ટુ 100% Retro.
This is Happy Mornings with Aarti, exclusively on FM 95 Radio 1.
100% Retro.
Some great minds, one show. Ahmedabad Rising, exclusively on FM 95 Radio 1.
100% Retro.
हैप्पी मॉर्निंग सुन रहे हो आप ऑन FM 95 रेडियो 1. आपके साथ मैं आरती AARTI and on our interview series Ahmedabad Rising today we have with us an advertising professional from Ahmedabad who needs no introduction. He is a guest lecturer at so many colleges. He holds a record in his name. He's at the helm of affairs at Triton Communications Ahmedabad and he's right here in the studio sitting with a very infectious smile on his face. We have with us Mr. Sanjay Chakrabarti, Associate Vice President Brand Service at Triton Communications Ahmedabad. सबसे पहले तो गुड मॉर्निंग
आदि.
और मुझे ये रिकॉर्ड के बारे में बहुत ही क्यूरियोसिटी है जब से मैंने पढ़ा कि आप गेस्ट लेक्चरर हैं, इतनी सारी कॉलेजेस में पढ़ाने जाते हैं, दैट यू हैव अ रिकॉर्ड इन योर नेम. तो ये कहाँ पढ़ाने जाते हैं आप और ये पूरा अनुभव?
इंटरेस्टिंगली आई टेल यू समथिंग कि in industry like advertising people complain about not having good talent,
right,
and the scarcity of good people in the industry. So we keep complaining but we need to do something. So one fine morning I decided let me do something on this and whatever we have learned let us share it. So I started visiting these institutes which was not only in Gujarat but neighboring states like Rajasthan and MP, and I started giving lectures. And I realized on the way, like when I was doing this, there is a lot of energy which comes, a lot of positive energy which comes when you meet 100 odd people in each institute. You get a lot of energy and you feel satisfied that you're delivering something and giving something back to the society.
Right.
And very interestingly, you actually make 100 new friends every institute when you go there. So I make it a point whenever I go for any visit to any place, a new place, I'll make sure that I attend any session there and I deliver whatever I have learned.
Lectures are a part of that journey.
Yeah, part of that journey. So I space out that time and like in Rajkot, usually people don't work from 1 to 4.
Yes,
so
I'm from that city, so I know.
So 1 to 4 is the right time when you can dedicate, and you can spend time there with the students.
Right.
When you interact with them, you get a lot of energy, a lot of interaction. You learn also. There are new things happening, and it helps in me in advertising also. If I'm addressing a young brand, then it helps me that how is the consumer behavior of new young,
what they think about
what
that
they think about it.
तो कोई किस्से हैं अजब गजब से, क्योंकि आप राजस्थान में भी पढ़ाते हैं, MP में भी पढ़ाते हैं और इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स को मिलते हैं हर साल. कुछ अजीबोगरीब
काफी हैं, बट बहुत इंटरेस्टिंगली ये होता है कि आफ्टर few years you will meet a person who comes and meets you in a mall and he wishes you, sir आप कैसे हैं, and I get very much confused कि मैं कहाँ मिला हूँ और किधर मिला हूँ and what is his name,
राज्य में मिला हूँ
मुझे नहीं पता चलता है. और that person is so much of warmth and it is very embarrassing कि he should not ask me, sir did you recognize me, so that becomes very difficult. So I always cross my fingers and I think he should not ask me कि हम कहाँ मिले थे सर. So that's a very interesting part which always happens.
एक और आपकी वेबसाइट के बारे में मैंने बहुत सारी बातें सुनी है और पढ़ी भी है, इन पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट. इसके बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं रेडियो 1 पर एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद. अगर आपके पास भी कोई खास क्वेश्चंस हैं मिस्टर संजय चक्रवर्ती के लिए, आप कॉल कर सकते हैं ऑन 65439595. इनके साथ की मुलाकात जारी रहेगी ऑन FM 95 रेडियो 1 ऑन अहमदाबाद राइजिंग. आप कहीं रहेगा नहीं. स्टिक टू 100% रेट्रो.
Ahmedabad Rising. Ahmedabad Rising. Some great minds, one show. Ahmedabad Rising, exclusively on FM 95 Radio 1.
100% retro.
हैप्पी मॉर्निंग सुन रहे हो आप ऑन FM 95 रेडियो 1। आपके साथ में आरती AARTI। सुबह सुबह एडवर्टाइजिंग के बारे में भाई आज हम बात कर रहे हैं, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट के बारे में। एक ऐसे अहमदाबादी जो पूरे भारत में सबसे ज्यादा इंस्टीट्यूट्स में गेस्ट लेक्चर बन के एडवर्टाइजिंग पढ़ाते हैं, वो हमारे साथ है सुबह इन द स्टूडियो। वी हैव विद अस मिस्टर संजय चक्रवर्ती, एसोसिएट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ब्रांड सर्विस फ्रॉम ट्राइटन कम्युनिकेशन अहमदाबाद। ब्रेक में इन्होंने मुझे बहुत ही हंसाया है अपने कुछ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग किस्से सुनाकर, जो इंटरव्यू में होते हैं, जब ये इंटरव्यू लेते हैं, स्टूडेंट से मिलते हैं, उसके बारे में। वो मैं पूछूं उससे पहले सर, आई वांट टू आस्क यू अबाउट द बुक्स दैट यू हैव रिटर्न। व्हाट आर ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहा है ये तीनों बुक्स लिखने का, और ये शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई थी?
Yeah, in fact, when I used to deliver sessions, so a lot of people came to me and said, "Why don't you write it and put it in a form of a book,
Written
so
word.
that wherever you are not possible to go there, it's not possible for you to go there. You can at least send them, or
These books would reach there.
reach them."
Right.
So that ignited me to come out with a book. The first book which was written as Half Glass Full, which has my experience of my first job. So I dedicated some 3 years in the first job, and there were a lot of hardships and a lot of learning, and I had a lot of myths in my mind.
Yeah, I've heard a lot about the hardships that you faced in the initial years in advertising.
Initial years, and when I look back and when I see back, I believe that those were the only things which made me a better person in the professional life, and that's why I wanted to write it and then spread it to more people.
Right.
That was my first book. Second book was also a collection of all the lectures which I have given in a form of a book called Marketing Tidbits. And the recent book which I have written is on people who want to make their career into media and advertising, and the book is named as Before Being, On Your Marks, Get Set, Go. And here I have included the experience of many other stalwarts in the industry who had given their own experiences, what is required in this industry in the field of advertising and media, and what should it be there besides education. There are a lot of things. People believe that if I have been educated in advertising, or I have done a master's degree or a software degree, I will make my career a better place in advertising. So it's a myth. So there are a lot of other things which are required. So these people have written those experience, and this has been published.
And you've not charged anything for these books?
Yeah, not yet, because I have made a condition that the book should be subsidized and it should be going to more and more people.
Wow.
So there's one way of doing something for the society back. So it gives you a very big high when people read it and they give you their
Come back
feedback,
to you.
come back to us, and they say we learnt a lot from that book. So that's the remuneration which I get. That's a big high which you get.
और अभी जो मजेदार किस्से जो सुना के आपने मुझे बहुत हंसाया है,
Yeah.
ये आप जब इंटरव्यू लेते हैं और
Yeah.
स्टूडेंट्स के साथ के,
Yeah.
वो थोड़े बताइए।
See, a lot of times, you need to have that inclination towards that humor which happens in the interview. The interviews are usually stressful for the interviewer rather than the interviewer who gives the interview.
Really?
Yeah, sometimes. And sometimes you not realize कि you attempted something which was very humorous.
दिस इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग इनपुट। जो इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हैं उनको
हाँ,
मजा आएगा कि सामने वाला भी टेंशन में।
Tension में है. So a lot of times we are in tension more than them, right? So we try hard. How do I take that person rather than rejecting him? So it happened once. There was a guy with long hairs who entered the room, and he sat there. And the usual question was that, brief me about yourself. So the moment I said brief me about yourself, the person took a pause, and then in a very filmy style he says, "अब हम अपने बारे में क्या बताएं?"
Says that in an interview.
Right. So I was shocked, and it was very difficult for me to answer this
Wow,
question.
now I don't feel guilty about having acted stupid in my interviews. मैंने ऐसा तो नहीं कहा कि अब हम अपने बारे में क्या बताएं।
बताएं. And he thought कि he's become a little creative in answering that. So that was the very interesting episode which I remember. And the second episode which I remember was that many years back we had worked on a brand called Move. And the baseline was आपके घर में कौन रहता है, कमर दर्द या Move.
Right.
So there was a lady who was attending this interview, and I wanted to tell her that have you heard about brands which you worked about? So she was not realizing that we had worked on various brands. So I said, okay, I'll tell you one brand which we recently launched was Move. आपके घर में कौन रहता है? And the moment I said that, I kept a pause, and the lady is asking me, आप ऐसा क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? मेरे घर पे मैं किसी के साथ भी रहूं. Actually, I had to continue that. I want to tell her that आपके घर में कौन रहता है, कमर दर्द.
मैं आपको पूछ नहीं रहा हूँ, ये
मैं
लाइन
आपको
है
lines बता रहा हूँ. So sometimes advertising lines can create a lot of embarrassment to you.
Right. More conversations with Mr. Sanjay Chakrabarti on Ahmedabad Rising. आप कहीं जाइएगा नहीं. सुबह सुबह रेडियो 1 पर आपको सुनाने वाले हैं जो ब्रेक के बाद गाने, उसमें से एक की झलक डिस्को दीवानी का टाइटल ट्रैक, और उसके बाद तुरंत कल की चिंता भगाने वाला मंत्र बमंदा की आवाज में कल क्या होगा किसको पता। ये दोनों गाने रेडियो 1 पर छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद आपके साथ में आरती AARTI स्टिक टू 100% रेट्रो।
Ahmedabad Rising. Ahmedabad Rising. Some great minds. One show. Ahmedabad Rising. Exclusively on FM 95 Radio 1.
100% retro.
हैप्पी मॉर्निंग सुन रहे हो आप ऑन FM 95 रेडियो 1। आपके साथ में आरती AARTI। और आज भाई एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग विषय पर बात चल रही है। सुबह सुबह अहमदाबाद राइजिंग पर टीवी पर एड्स देखकर हम बहुत सारी चीजें खरीद लेते हैं, तारीफें भी करते हैं, पर एड्स को एक अलग नजरिए से समझने का मजा एडवर्टाइजिंग जो बढ़ाते हैं पूरे भारत में 60 इंस्टीट्यूट्स में। वैसे जनाब है हमारे साथ, ही होल्ड्स अ रिकॉर्ड एट इंडिया लेवल फॉर टीचिंग एट मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट्स। मिस्टर संजय चक्रवर्ती, एसोसिएट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ब्रांड सर्विसेज फ्रॉम ट्राइटन कम्युनिकेशंस अहमदाबाद, हमारे साथ हैं स्टूडियो में। और संजय जी, एक दूसरा जो रिकॉर्ड है आपके नाम पर लिम्का बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स में, दैट इज अबाउट अ वेबसाइट आई हैव रेड इन पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट। बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें मैंने पढ़ी है इस वेबसाइट के बारे में, तो इसकी शुरुआत कैसे हुई एंड लिटिल बिट अबाउट द वेबसाइट।
Usually in advertising, it's that you should to have an heart to be in advertising. To be creative, you need an heart. So we sometimes make creative ads also, and when we are making those, we also make social ads. So when we were working on that, we usually see certain references where we can get it.
Right.
So when we're doing that, it became a difficult task for seeing all the reference ads of social causes, and it was getting difficult where it can get all the things at a place. So
कोई एक जगह पे
so एक जगह पे, and there is the social causes are in numbers, like numerous causes. If you ask me, in India there are 1,000 causes where you can create ads. So when we were going through it, we realized that abroad the causes are different, and in India the causes are different. So it ignited me with the thought ki why not we have a place where you had international and national social cause ads at one place,
right? And
you can refer those. The purpose was not just to create new ads, but the purpose was also to ignite people to come out and do something for the society. So if you go to that site and you visit that site, you will realize ki for various causes there are various interesting ads which will definitely talk to your heart,
right? And
it will create a lot of ignition to the people, to the young people. And it is no commercial motive website where people can post their own ads which they realize ki it is not there, they can add to it. Okay. And the numbers which we have is more than 550 ads which are there, and it keeps adding there.
अच्छा, एक और मजेदार बात जो आप ब्रेक में बता रहे थे, ये कि ये जो एक कॉर्पोरेट इंसान का बाहर का मास्क है, उसके पीछे एक ऐसा इंसान है, रोमांटिक इंसान, who used to play guitar at All India Radio. आप कुछ बहुत सालों तक आपने ये किया है, and this is of course not the first time that you've been in a radio studio.
I'll tell you an interesting thing. My parents wanted to learn guitar. In fact, they couldn't. So they forced me to do that.
बच्चे को सिखाएंगे.
बच्चे को सिखाएंगे. So they they told me, they forced me. They were sitting or standing outside the music school when I used to be there. He should not run away from music, and he should be there. And they used to literally stand outside the music school and see whether this guy is there for 1 year or not. So करता क्या ना करता, मरता क्या ना करता. And I realized after 6 months I started enjoying music because there was no way out. And I learned for 12 years and I completed my Visharad there.
12 years.
Yeah, and it was a fun because people realized me there was a different identity in the college, in the school. कि अरे वो गिटार वाला संजय, right? So if there was any literary program or any cultural program, the only name which was to be given was संजय को बोल दो गिटार बजा लेगा.
और लड़कों को तो खास मजा आता है क्योंकि बहुत सारी लड़कियों का अटेंशन रहता है कॉलेज में.
I have not
We should not go on that side.
So today also if I meet my school buddies after many years and they have to recognize me, they हाँ वो गिटार वाला संजय, so he's that. So that was an identity which helped me in people getting recognized and people knowing me about it.
Right. So there are some stories from college romance जहाँ पे लड़कियाँ गिटार वाले संजय पे मरती थी, but you're not spilling the beans right now. All right. More conversations with Mr. Sanjay Chakrabarti on Ahmedabad Rising. आप कहीं जाइएगा नहीं, आपके साथ में आरती AARTI. Stick to 100% retro.
Ahmedabad Rising. Ahmedabad Rising.
0848.
Getting right back in conversations with the great minds. Ahmedabad Rising. Ahmedabad Rising. Exclusively on FM 95 Radio 1.
100% retro.
Some great minds. One show. Ahmedabad Rising. Exclusively on FM 95 Radio 1.
100% 100% retro.
હેપી મોર્નિંગ સાંભળી રહ્યા છો તમે ઓન FM 95 રેડિયો 1 અને આપણી ઇન્ટરવ્યુ સિરીઝ અહેમદાબાદ રાઇઝિંગમાં વી આર ટોકિંગ ટુ મિસ્ટર સંજય ચક્રબર્તી, એસોસિએટ વાઇસ પ્રેસિડેન્ટ બ્રાન્ડ સર્વિસીસ ફ્રોમ Triton Communications Ahmedabad. He has been working in the advertising industry for 17 years. He teaches at more than 60 institutes in Gujarat and neighboring states and also holds a record in Limca Book of World Records for his website. अच्छा, before we end this, मुझे ये मजेदार बात पूछनी थी कि आपका ये जो टीवी व्यूइंग एक्सपीरियंस है वो माजरा तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रहता होगा क्योंकि बाकी सब प्रोग्राम्स देखते हैं, आप एड्स देखते हैं, तो इस मामले में झगड़े होते हैं किसी के साथ?
नहीं, एडवर्टाइजिंग में रहने का एक फायदा ये है कि एटलीस्ट टीवी को लेकर लड़ाई नहीं होती कभी किसी के साथ बिकॉज दे वॉच द प्रोग्राम एंड वी वॉच द एड्स.
हाँ, तो उनका जब ब्रेक चल रहा होता है तब आपका प्रोग्राम
चालू होता है. So there's a one more benefit of being in the advertising industry that you have that liberty of watching the breaks.
क्रिकेट चल रहा हो या सीरियल चल रहा हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, हमें एड से काम है.
So we focus on that. So that's the most interesting part. So everybody who wants to join this industry should be very happy that there's an industry which helps you having no fights in your family life.
एक टाइप का झगड़ा तो फैमिली के साथ कभी नहीं होने
वाला.
अच्छा. And one last question before we go, sir. Your message to all the people who are trying to make their career in advertising right now.
Yeah, the message is that they should be in advertising. It's a very interesting field. All said and done, is the most fascinating industry which I could ever say. Besides education, what you should have is that you should have that passion and the inclination towards creativity. Now, creativity doesn't mean that you should have in ads. Anything which you do in your life, you should do it in a creative fashion, which is relative, which is relevant to the industry.
Okay.
Very interestingly, I'll tell you that many of the youngsters who come to this industry and when they meet you and they will tell you that I am interested in advertising. So advertising is not just a job, it's a career. So it is like telling a girl that I am interested in marrying you, but the girl may not be interested in marrying you. So you have to find out whether industry is interested in you or not. So what is that which will fascinate the industry, will attract the industry to get married to you. So that's the most important lesson.
Right.
So you need to know about the industry, like you know about the girl, how he is and the family background and what colors she likes and which is the music she likes. The same way you have to know about the industry. Okay, what is that thing which is more interesting in that industry, what are the demerits of that industry, what are the merits of that industry, and then get married so the relationship lasts long.
Right. All right. So thank you for coming here in
My
the studio.
pleasure, my
It was
pleasure.
a beautiful message and I hope that all of us get a little bit of glimpse of advertising.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Thank you, sir. So कल अहमदाबाद राइजिंग में किसी नए गेस्ट के साथ होने वाली है मुलाकात. फिलहाल रेडियो 1 पर आपको अगले घंटे की शुरुआत में सुनाते हैं 3 गाने बैक टू बैक. शुरुआत करते हैं रफी साहब की बुलंद आवाज के साथ. पर्दा है पर्दा कमिंग अप नेक्स्ट. स्टिक टू 100% रेट्रो.